If you're looking to dive into the world of investing on your own, this platform may be one option you want to consider. Today, we will explore what JP Morgan self-directed investing offers, how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it might be the right fit for you. JP Morgan self-directed investing is a part of JP Morgan Chase & Company, a well-established name in the financial industry. With this platform, investors can manage their portfolios without the need for a financial advisor. This means that you have the freedom to make your own investment decisions, choose your own assets, and create a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. When you open an account with JP Morgan self-directed investing, the first thing you notice is the interface. It is clean and straightforward, allowing you to navigate easily. You can access a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. One of the standout features of JP Morgan self-directed investing is its research tools. The platform offers comprehensive research reports and market analysis, which can be very beneficial when making investment choices. These resources are designed to help you understand market trends and company performance. In addition to research tools, JP Morgan provides educational resources that are particularly helpful for beginner investors. They offer articles, videos, and tutorials covering different investment topics. Learning about concepts like asset allocation, risk management, and market cycles can empower you to make better choices. Now, let's talk about fees. JP Morgan self-directed investing has no commissions for online stock and exchange-traded fund trades, which means you can buy and sell without worrying about extra costs eating into your profits. Another aspect to consider is the account minimum. To open a self-directed investing account, you don't need a large sum of money. This makes it accessible for many investors who are just starting out. Security is always a concern when dealing with online investments, and JP Morgan takes this seriously. The platform uses robust security measures to protect your personal information and funds, offering two-factor authentication and monitoring accounts for unusual activity. Lack of financial advisors. One of the potential drawbacks of JP Morgan self-directed investing is that, since it is a self-directed platform, you won't have direct access to a financial advisor. While this is a benefit for many who prefer to make their own decisions, it can be a disadvantage for those who would like guidance. Let's also discuss the investment options available. JP Morgan self-directed investing allows you to invest in a variety of assets, including individual stocks and exchange-traded funds, giving you the freedom to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Overall, JP Morgan self-directed investing is a solid option for those looking to manage their investments independently. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive research tools, and educational resources, it caters to both new and experienced investors. The absence of commission fees on stock and ETF trades is a significant advantage. JP Morgan self-directed investing offers a powerful and flexible platform for managing your investments. With a wealth of resources at your disposal and no commission fees for stock and ETF trades, it is a compelling choice for self-directed investors. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.